Saunil obviously has some experiences way out of the orbit that all of they have been sharing so far. Saunil went through with BP Kothari and then thereafter. What happened?
See, my first interaction with Dr. Davle sir was through his books. In the UG, I read the Principles and Practice, and I found that this book is much more relevant for the time. What I had read in Organon, what I read in Kent, Stuart Close, due respects, but this was the first book which I found that it is relevant for today, and I could relate with it in a much better way, rather than those old books, the language and everything. Then, further ahead, somebody introduced me to Dr. BP Kothari, and then Dr. Mihir, Dr. Manoj, and two other doctors. We joined Dr. BP Kothari's clinic, where it was written Hahnemannian homeopathy. And we were intrigued that what is this? And that is exactly where the Guru Sishya Parampara could be realized, that Dr. BP Kothari actually lived the way Dr. M.L. Dhavle had written in his books. That was the learning, that we can live this life. What is written in books, we can also practice. And that is how the parampara continued. I could listen to Dr. M.L. Dhavle through his writings, his perceiving, his symposium volumes and all. And then symposias, I was introduced to Dr. Kumar sir. Gradually he became my family physician, my mentor, friend, philosopher and guide. So what our elders have witnessed about Dr. M.L. Dhavle, I could see something different. I mean, I won't say different, but the tri-coordinate care which he had emphasized, I could see the learner care part from Dr. Dhavle's functioning. I don't know how much I learned about homeopathy, but I could always see that Dr. Kumar sir was always there for me. He would have only 1 or 2 sentences written in his inland letters or postcards when I am struggling, and that were very strict. And I had to follow, even though I did not like certain things. And then certain things I could not discuss with him. But then came Dr. Tiwari sir. I have hardly spent much time with him personally, but during such small conversation, छोड़ दे, इतना कर दे, इतना करेगा ठीक हो जाएगा. Some simple direct ground level का simple advice. तो ये जो learner care था, that was demonstrated in my life. That is the best part that has happened in. And then about reading the books, the thing that really struck me was Dr. Dhavle's book had conscience. Long back, there was only one guru who would take care of your religious issues and your health issues. But as the medical knowledge advanced, the roles separated. Guru could not handle the medical aspect, so medical aspect was given to somebody else. And then over a period of time, the medical person lost the conscience. And that is exactly what we are seeing these days. That there is a big gap between the conscience and the clinical work that they are doing. According to me, according to my exposure, Dr. M.L. Dhavle's book and the whole series of books deals with that conscience. It has stirred conscience within me, and I think that is the biggest gift I ever.